Meet ACE17, a comprehensive financial reporting system designed to simplify your financial reporting needs. Apart from ACE17 financial reporting system, we offer two more systems: ACE17 planning and budgeting system and ACE17 PAA eligibility testing system. Why choose ACE17? It's quick to deploy, so your team can get started right away. With simplified inputs and an organized data dictionary, data is structured and easy to manage. ACE17 streamlines reporting, supporting PAA, GMM and VFA models to ensure compliance and flexibility across diverse needs. Plus, it integrates with Excel, allowing you to leverage its powerful functionalities all within the ACE17 framework. ACE17 offers an efficient IT infrastructure that's easy to install, has a modular approach, allows traceability of numbers, and is easy to adapt. When it comes to cost, ACE17 is unmatched. Cost comparisons show it's among the most cost-effective solutions on the market. With ACE17, financial reporting is no longer a complex process. This tool is designed to streamline every stage, from data input to final report generation, saving you time and enhancing precision. Join a diverse range of satisfied clients, from top financial institutions to innovative enterprises, who rely on ACE17 for their financial reporting needs. BADRI, your profit optimization partner.